In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11, even though they did not meet the system requirements. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this version of Windows is not supported. It's asking us to turn on features that are not available on the system. Here's a checklist of what we'll be following. We'll be downloading the Windows 10 ISO file. We're going to mount it, check the drive letter, run a special command, which is step 5, and then we'll follow the prompts and then we just wait for Windows to be installed. So quick verification, re-verification. This is Windows 10 21H1, last upgraded 2022, and PC advice, a PC health check. It tells us automatically it does not support Windows 11. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to go to our browser. We're going to download the Windows 11 ISO. So we'll use the official Microsoft site. So based on your browser, your search response, you're going to look for the Microsoft site. We're going to go directly to download Windows 11 ISO for 64. Hit select download. Ask us to confirm. Choose the language. Hit confirm. Now it tells us we have 24 hours to download this from this particular link. Hit download. And it's an older browser, so here it tells us we have 5 minutes. So I'm going to let it progress live on screen. Okay, now that the file is downloaded, we're going to double check. Go downloads. This is it. Double click on it. It's now mounted. It's a D. Just for this purpose, I'm going to eject it virtually. And just so you see, there is nothing there. Once we hit download, once we double click it, it pops up as a D drive. We're going to explore the drive here. D, drive letter D, and we're going to run the setup file. Well, to do this, we have to go to the command prompt, so we're going to click here, start, cmd, cat, mouse, dog, and choose run as administrator, choose yes, and then we're going to switch to this drive letter D here. So right now it's showing us that we're in the Windows folder. I'm gonna go D. I could do a session with just DOS commands later. And if we do dir, which is list contents of directory, you'll notice it will have the list. Folders, boot. We're just concerned about the setup file, setup.exe. So the command we're going to type is setup slash product server. So before I do that, as referenced in the checklist, so far we have downloaded the file, double click to mount it, told us it's the D drive. We've switched to D here. As a secondary step, we listed the folder. We ran command prompt, run as administrator, and then we typed setup slash product, which is this here. I'm gonna press enter and wait. This is optional. Notice it says server, but we're going to ignore that. It will work. Do next. Accept. Keep files. Keep files. Ignore that it says upgrade in server. It's going to be checking for updates. I'll show the full length. Next. Okay, just a timestamp. 249 is at 87%. We started at 223, so just a little over 25 minutes. It's in progress. Okay, so the system rebooted and we were unable to record that session, but I'll do that on a virtual machine. Well, here we're about to check to see what was upgraded. Go to properties, same computer name, my Win 11 demo, same processor info. It's now running Windows 11 version 2542. It was installed today. It finished about 3:05. So let's just adjust that here to 3:05. Okay, it took roughly 45 minutes, safe to say. And what we'll do is we're just going to just check the programs to see if they opened fine. A simple test will be just to open Microsoft Word. Test. Open fine. All the bookmarks. Our favorite on the desktop. System performance, meanwhile. Memory's fine. CPU fluctuating, which is okay. Browser. Disk in use. That's it. So a quick recap. We downloaded the Windows 11 file. We mounted it, ran it as a virtual drive. You went to the drive letter, typed the command prompt, which is this guy, and then we just waited. Roughly. That's it. Now we have a PC that is now fully upgraded to Windows 11. And if you may recall that the system check told us that it did not meet the requirements. We could also just do a quick check for Windows updates, but it was fully updated during the upgrade process. Last check today. Check it again briefly. Does have some updates, so we'll just do those updates. It kept our personalized backgrounds and everything. I'm just going to change it to something. We have full functionality, no issues.